Hey guys, let me introduce you to my brand new Jamie Oliver by Tefal Ingenio range. They're really fantastic because we can remove the handle. It means we can stack them all away really tightly and beautifully. You save about 50% of your space. And because we got the removable handle, they're also incredibly versatile on a hob, in the oven, or even serving at the dinner table. You can start a dish on the hob, like this beautiful frittata with tomatoes, garlic, basil. We have the most incredible non-stick technology here, which is brilliant. Mozzarella, so it's oozy and delicious. All I do now is put it in an oven, and the best bit, the handle comes straight off. These handles have been tested up to 10 kilos in weight and have a warranty for 10 years. Look at that. From cooking in the oven to serving at the table, absolutely beautiful. So if you're thinking about getting a new set of pans, then maybe the Jamie Oliver Tefal Ingenio pans are for you. Enjoy.